Eat your food slowly, it's still a little hot. Eat your food slowly, it's still a little hot. It smells really good. It smells really good. I am glad you like it. I am glad you like it. Finish your vegetables too. Finish your vegetables too. Did you have fun at school today? Did you have fun at school today? I play with my friends and drew a rocket. I play with my friends and drew a rocket. Not far, just a 5-minute walk. Not far, just a 5-minute walk. Finally the shopping is done. Finally the shopping is done. Wow. You look so smart in uniform. Wow. You look so smart in uniform. Am I ready for school? Am I ready for school? Let me fix your tie. Let me fix your tie. Perfect. Now you look ready. Perfect. Now you look ready. Please wash your hands first. Please wash your hands first. Come sit at the table. Come sit at the table. Drink your milk carefully. Drink your milk carefully. Do not spill the water. Do not spill the water. Pack your school bag now. Take your lunch box with you. Take your lunch box with you. Do your homework after dinner. Do your homework after dinner. Tell me about your day. Tell me about your day. Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Please speak politely with everyone. Please speak politely with everyone. Time to go to bed now. Time to go to bed now. Turn off the room light. Turn off the room light. Say good night to everyone. Say good night to everyone. Wake up early tomorrow morning. Wake up early tomorrow morning. Put your toys in the box. Put your toys in the box. Close the door gently, please. Close the door gently, please. Wait for me at the gate. Wait for me at the gate. Look both ways before crossing. Look both ways before crossing. Please sit quietly in class. Please sit quietly in class. Share your snacks with friends. Share your snacks with friends. Come home straight after school. Come home straight after school. Give me a big hug. Give me a big hug.